Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a few Amazon home items that I believe that you love, and also if you're going back to school or also if you will be going off to college, having a dorm room, these are great items that will be essential for you. So please continue watching if you love content like this. I will try and link all the items down below if you're interested. The first thing that I would recommend getting for back to school or for your home is this plug outlet. It has 6 plugs and 3 USB ports. These are great for your dorm room since some dorm room is always short on plugs. It is also great for your home. This will allow you to plug in your computer, cell phone, light and other devices or small appliances. This also protects your items from power disturbances such as lightning, surges and spikes. So you can get this one through Amazon. The next item I would recommend that I love as well is this desk lamp. This is great if you are sharing and don't want to turn on the main light to disturb your dorm mate. It can also be adjusted in different angles to shine wherever you might be seated. It also comes with a USB port where you can put your phone to charge. And my next item is this pancake maker. Now this pancake maker can make your breakfast easy. You can get your burgers, it can do eggs. It is a very handy item. So this would be great in your dorm room since you might want to have some items to munch on sometime. And since I mentioned pancake, this next item that I love so much, I have one on order coming, is this egg cooker. Now since I mentioned fry egg with the pancake, this egg cooker, you can select how soft you want it, how hard you want it, or if you want it medium. I can personally say this egg cooker is one of my favorite items. I purchased one for my family home and I had to get one for myself. So if you're interested, this one should be on your list. The next item that I would recommend is a diffuser. You know some dorm room can get this musty smell sometime, so a diffuser is one item that can make your dorm room smelling fresh at all times. And the good thing, it has light on it, so you can get different color lights and they are dimmable as well. So you can get from brightness from 20% up to 100%. These are great way that you can use to make your dorm room smell fresh, so when your friends come over to study, you don't have a musty smell. So invest in one of these diffusers, you will love it. The next item that I personally love is this home decor item. Is a cushion pillow. Now cushion pillow is great to decorate your space, and also it's a piece that can give you comfort. So you can get different colors in them. They have them in the burnt orange, sage and this tan color. Anyone you choose would be great for you since you're into the softness, and so it's great to decorate your dorm room. And since I mentioned cushion, this throw blanket would be great for you. You know the winter will be coming up where it get cold, and also just to decorate your bed and to cover your bed, this is a great item heading into the fall to the winter. It is very large as well, so it will make your bed cozy. This next item is this next set of towels for your bathroom. Every dorm room need a set of towels. You can choose whatever color you wish. So ensure you pick up on this one. This next item is a vacuum. It's a cordless rechargeable vacuum, perfect to clean up simple mess. It's also great to vacuum dust at window edges, and so you can always plug it in, charge it, so it's very essential to clean up simple messes. Try to get this vacuum, it will come in very handy. It's one item that I think you should put on your list. And since I mentioned mess, this garbage bin, very sleek and nice. Persons wouldn't even know that it's a bin. Please ensure you get this garbage bin as well. It's very small and compact. No one will even tell it's a bin, and you need a bin for your dorm room. This next item is a utility cart. Well, you know some dorm room is very small and you need organization and storage. It comes in multiple colors to choose from. Dorm rooms, you know, need some organization, so these are great to store your beauty products. You can store your stationery, toiletry and many other items, so you will find it handy, so you can always slide it in a corner. And since I mentioned storage, these storage organizers would be great to go under your your bed as storage. It would be great to store your clothes, sheets, seasonal items, comforters. If you're into comforters when you're not using certain items, these are great. If you have a space, if you're not sharing and you have your own closet space, these storage bins can always put underneath your bed or in the closet as well. So try to get a set of storage bin. This is a set of 6, so you can always purchase it in the color you wish. And since I mentioned organization, this desk organizer is a nice way to add clutter off your desk. You can organize your pen, your journals. You can use it as a makeup organizer. It is almost 9 inch wide and 5 inch in height, so it won't take up much space on your desk. So you can use this for many purposes in your dorm room, or also at your home in your bedroom or in your little office area. And since I mentioned dorm room, you will need a plate set. So this plastic plate set, it comes in gray and other colors. This would be great to have your cereals, small foods. Since I mentioned pancake and egg cooker, get one of these set of plates so you won't have anything to break if you're worried about glass and so. This is great to blend in as well with certain decor. If you're a person that is into decor, yes, there are many dorm persons that are into decor. So try to get this set. It is a plastic set you can also share with your roommate. So ensure you add this on your bucket list. And this next item is a must. Accidents can happen at any time. Every home or dorm room should have a set of this first aid kit. It comes with different bandages, creams and so, and it also have this nice bag that you can keep it in. So ensure you add this to your bucket list. These are all the items that I have to share. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. So see you on that video.